This video teaches you how to remove a pinned post or board from your Pinterest profile page. Go to the www.pinterest.com. If you're already logged into Pinterest, this will open your home page. Click the profile icon. This is the person-shaped icon on the top right corner of the page. Click Saved. Click a board. Doing so will open it, allowing you to view the specific pins inside. Click the three horizontal dots. This is the Edit button. Click Delete Pin. It's in the bottom left corner of the Edit window. Click Delete Pin when prompted. This will remove the pin from the board. There is also a problem with this video, so ask about the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let them know in the comment bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for any updates.